I just got these silicone baking mats and they are really good. I just made 2 batches of different types of cookies. One was almost all sugar, so it was a very praline kind of crispy cookie. Those are really hard to get off of baking sheets, but I let them cool off a little bit on these and they came right off. So very good with the sugar. That's really the test of silicone baking mats, is how do they do with things that have a lot of sugar in them. This particular set comes with 2 different sizes. Let me move this over here. It has 2 quarter sheet pans and 2 half sheet pans. And a half sheet is kind of like a large cookie sheet. In professional kitchens, a full sheet is this big. So a half sheet is what most people think of as a full cookie sheet. So this covers a large cookie sheet. And it's actually a little bit small for some of my cookie sheets, so I do have a couple big ones that it works on. So this is a nice big size. You shouldn't use knives on these, so don't cut through onto them because that can damage the mat. But these clean up really well. All you have to do is put them in the sink, a little soap and water. They cleaned up really well. And again, I mean, the one batch of cookies I made, they came right off. The other one was very sticky. I had to let it cool off a little bit, but these just released them. No problem. Those cookies would have destroyed parchment paper. They would not have come off. But with the silicone mats, they just came right off. Absolutely no problem. These are definitely worth getting if you do a lot of baking, and they're reusable. Like I said, easy to clean. I will definitely be using these a lot in my baking.